Hello everyone. Today we will see what is React Router and how can we use it. So React Router is a standard library for routing in React. It enables the navigation among views of various components in React application. It allows changing the browser URL. It keeps the UI in sync with the URL. So let's take an example. Just watch out this URL. Whenever I click on this another link, see URL is keep changing. See, if we click on installation, URL is showing us installation. Let's say overview. Let's say tutorial. So for every page, we need to give URL. So for providing that kind of functionality, we will use React Router DOM. So for installation of React Router DOM, uh, I will provide this link in the description, so you can just check it out from there, and let's copy this installation step. So this is the command to install React Router DOM @ version 6. So let's go to VS Code. Now let's remove previous code and let's start. So let's go to command, type npm install React Router DOM @6, enter. So you can see installation is done. Now let's take a scenario. So what we need is whenever we are on this path, we need home page. Whenever we are on this path / contact, then we need contact page, and same for the about page. So let's go to VS Code. So we have already imported these things. Now let's come here and we need to wrap our whole app in browser router. So just type browser router. Now we will enlist our whole every routes in routes tag. So routes, and we will provide every route in route tag. So route path is / for home, and we will provide element means our component. So let's provide home component. It's auto importing. If you don't know what is auto importing, just check out my previous videos and close this route tag. Now again copy this for 2 times. Let's make it about and import about component. Let's make it contact and import our contact component. Now let's check output. So this is our output. You can see this is home page. Now let's go to about page. See, React Router DOM is working. This is the about page. Now let's go to contact page. See, this is contact page. Now what we need is we need to provide here links so we can easily navigate these 3 pages. So for provide that kind of functionality, we need to import link from React Router DOM. So let's just kindly import link and come here and just type let's make a small header. So header ul li, will not focus on designing. So let's provide here a link tag. We need link tag. We will not use a anchor tag. So to let's make it clear for you. Here you will provide link to, here you have to provide your URL. So see, this one is your our URL. Now let's name it home. Let's copy for 2 times. Now this is for about, so just provide here about URL, and this is for contact, and let's separate each of them in separate li. So just, this is first one URL, this is for second one, and it's for third one. Now let's check output. See, home page, about page, contact page. Now let's click on home page. You can see home page, our URL is slash. Now let's go to about page. See, check out our URL slash about, and this is about page. Let's go to contact page. This is contact page, and this is contact. So this is how we can use React Router DOM